What's up, guys? Come out to the garage with me and let's do some barefoot primal movement balancing. So this is my little workout area. I come out here every morning. Dylan comes out here with me while I do some type of movement. Corey and Gavin go in town to the local gym while I'm here working out. And something that I've been doing here recently is power yoga primal movement, and I'm absolutely loving it. And of course, I always work out barefoot. Well, I do everything barefoot, and usually my kids are barefoot as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. These new moves that I'm incorporating have helped so much in just my daily activity. Movement are my body. It's nice, natural movements. I became more flexible, more aligned, and I feel myself just toning up and getting very strong. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my morning practice. Okay guys, that's it for my 20-minute primal movement and balancing barefoot video today. I always like to end my workouts outside, of course, being barefoot and grounding with the earth. So Dylan and I are gonna walk around, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes, get some connection with the earth and feel good for the rest of the day. Another really fun thing, and I think we'll end the video in this move. Ready? Go like this. What'd you just say?
Give me energy, Earth.
Laying down and give me your energy.
Yep.
You got more than your feet on the ground, don't you?
Oh yeah.
How dirty are the bottom of your feet?
Not that dirty.
Not that dirty?
Nope.
I think mine are dirty 24/7.
Oh yeah.
All right, thanks for watching, guys. Barefoot's the only way to be, so it was a little glimpse of how we live life barefoot. See ya. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like and share our videos.
Yep.
Yep.